Namaste everyone. Good morning my dear students. Welcome to online class of social studies organized by our South Point English boarding school. And today we are gathered here to start our unit 2. We are going to start our unit 2 lesson 1, which I am going to write here. Unit 2 Lesson 1, and the topic is our glorious traditions. It is related for class 5. Okay, so let's start our topic, our glorious traditions. While talking or knowing about our tradition is a matter of pride for us because we love our traditions. So let's start. At first, let's write what is tradition. Tradition. It is a belief, practice, that prevails in certain community. It is a belief practice that prevails in certain community during specified time frame that passes from generation to generation. Okay. Here we write tradition is a belief. Actually, it is a belief that we practice in a certain community. We live in different communities and we believe in our traditions during a specified time frame, and that passes from one generation to another generation. These traditions can be classified into two types. Let's write. It can be classified into and they are good traditions, and bad traditions. So let's write good tradition definition. Traditions which are in favor of all the members of society and contribute to well-being of everyone. are known as good traditions. This good tradition means traditions which are in favor of all the members of the society, and also it contributes to well-being of everyone, is known as our good traditions. Let's write the example. For example, respecting the elders, welcoming the guests, fasting, etc. Okay, now next one is bad traditions. The example of good traditions are respecting the elders, welcoming the guests, fasting, taking fasting in during festivals. These all are the example of our good traditions. Now let's know about what is bad traditions. Let's write the definition of bad tradition. Traditions which are against the well-being of people, living in the society, are known as bad traditions. Okay. Bad tradition means traditions which are against the well-being of people living in the society. It means it can harm also, it can be useless also for our society, for the member of the society, are known as bad traditions. Some of the example I am going to write here. For example, playing gambling, child marriage, drinking alcohol, during festivals, playing, for example, playing gambling, child marriage, drinking alcohol, and many more other also. So I just write some of the few example of this one, and in our chapter here is given about some of the traditions, among them some of bad also and some of the good also. So let's start some of the good traditions which we should also follow in our community, which helps in the welfare of the society, or we can say which helps in the development of the society, our community, or we can say our whole country. Our society is full of interesting traditions. People living in different communities. We all know people live in society, in a community, and they have different customs and traditions also. So let me tell you about some common traditions that are followed in our society. For example, to respect our elders. To respect our elders, just I mentioned here also. Respecting the elders. This one is the common tradition that we generally follow while we reading in the school or while we are in the public places or even in our family. We all respect our elders. To treat our guest kindly is also a good aspect of our traditions. We have saying like Atithi Devo Bhava. It means guest is supposed to be God. And then similarly, Guru Devo Bhava, Matri Devo Bhava and Pitri Devo Bhava. These all teach us to have good respects for our guests, parents and teachers. Similarly, we celebrate different kinds of festivals like Dasai, Diwali, Chhath, many more festivals, Teej, we celebrate it. And among them, we have a festival like Bhai Tika. We all celebrate Bhai Tika, and that makes the bond between brothers and sisters stronger. It means this is the example of good tradition. Celebrating Bhai Tika, it makes the relationship more stronger between brother and sister, which is good for our family, for our society and for our whole country. If we say, it helps in the development of the whole country. Similarly, next one, our tradition is tradition of eating Gyu Chaku on the first day of Magh, which gives heat and strength to our body. Similarly, we celebrate many other festivals like Teej, Chhath, and these all on these occasions we take fast. And taking fast is also supposed to be good for our health. Now, in the same way, just to be described about traditions and good traditions, the types of good traditions. So, in next week, we will going to read about this bad traditions and what are the reforms that need for our society. We will read in next week. For this much, thank you.